So today I'm going to be experimenting again with making shell pendants for necklaces. Last time I used these gems, however now I do have some new ones, so I'm going to be trying with these. And I think on this one I'm going to use these gems. Now some of them look gold. They're supposed to look like this. So the gold is just the underside, so they'd look like that. So I'm going to use the same technique as last time, of using gel to apply the gems first. I'm going to do a few different sizes. And then I'm going to add a few smaller around the edges. I do also have this side of the picker. I'm not sure. I don't know what that's for. This looks nice for the first little bundle. It's nice. And I might do another. I think this is enough. So I'm going to cure this for a minute and a half. Now that's cured, it's time to add the UV resin over the top. So for this, I just squeeze it out the bottle. And then I use a brush to spread it around. And then I'll place this under the UV lamp for 3 minutes. So it's all finished now. I don't know. I think this one's cute, but I don't know how I feel about the gems. And I feel like, I don't know if they suit the orange shell. They look cool, but they kind of look like the shell's got growth on it. But we'll see what it looks like when it's on a necklace. It might look better. So I'm going to drill the hole now. Okay, so the hole has been re-drilled. So I'm not going to put it on a necklace yet because I'm going to wait till I've done all the shells and then we'll see. In real life, it does look better than on camera. Because on camera, this is showing up as like bright, vibrant yellow. But in real life, it's more subtle. So for this one, I think I'm just going to put them around just randomly on the shell. Rather than doing clusters. And I'm going to put them all vertical. This is what it's looking like. So it's all cured now. This is what it looks like. I really like these gems. I don't know whether it's too much on the red shell. I don't know if the red shell makes it a bit distracting. Well, the gems make the red shell distracting, but okay, now we're going to do the resin.
So because the gems are quite thick, this one is going to be a bit more 3D than the other ones.
So this is how it looks. I I literally love this. The resin is a bit thick up here, but it's fine. And it also did dribble down, so I'm gonna file this bit off. Okay, so I filed off the excess. Now this shell does have a unique shape anyway. I've not done that. And then now I'm gonna re-drill the hole. Okay, that's it all drilled. Again, I'm gonna wait till I've finished all three to make it into a necklace. But I do love this one. I think this one's really unique. It's a lot nicer than this one. I don't know, I just thought these would be a bit more pearlescent. It's a bit disappointing, to be honest. But these look really cool, and it's got a really nice texture to it. So for the final shell, I'm going to be using these gems. Now these have loads of different shapes. So, but there's like stars and hearts, but I don't want to use those. So I'm thinking of doing a pattern up the ridges of the shells, but it'd be every other one, not every one, because at the top they would get too close together. So just following the ridges like this. So let's look at some of the gems. These cubes look really good. I think I use them. Let's count how many we need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We could probably do about 5 different shapes. So cubes will be the first one. And then I like these ones. I don't know what this shape's called. Get some of those out. There's also rectangles, but I'm going to start with the middle one, and I'm going to work in sections. So I'm going to cure this just to make sure that I don't knock it. So next I'm going to do, you know what, I might also put one here. Like that. I'm just going to cure that again. Okay, so now I've added that one. I'm going to do this next one here, and I think I'm going to do the circles next. Okay, so I've done that first bit. Okay, now I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, so I've cured that one. And now instead of doing 5, I think I'm just gonna do 4. So I'm not gonna do these ones because I feel like it would be hard to do this shape because the shape's not even on both sides.
Be able to fit 2 of the gems. Hopefully 2, because that looks like the last one's not going to fit.
This is it cured now. Now I need to figure out if I want to do 3 lines of gems or 5. And to be honest, I think 5 would look better. So I need to pick another shape, but I feel like stars is probably the nicest other option. So I think I'm going to do the stars on this side and the squares on this side. So I've done that section. Now I'm going to do the stars. Okay, so here it is. I'm actually obsessed. Like, I can't believe how well this turned out. It has taken me about an hour to do this. However, I think it's really worth it. So now I'm going to add the resin over the top. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's finished cured. It's finished curing. This one, it does have these that stick over the edge, but they're not like sharp or anything, so it's fine. This is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I've got some chain ready. So I do want to try one of these pendant clasps. I think I might do it on this one. I just want to see what it looks like on these because before I just used jump rings. looks, yeah. And then I have this big jump ring. I'm also going to test it with the jump ring. Oh, to be honest, I still think I prefer the jump ring. This looks a bit more professional, but we'll have to see what it looks like on the chain. So this is the first necklace. I feel like, to be honest, when it's got chain on it, the shell does look better. However, I do wish that it was a bit more iridescent. This looks really nice. I really like that. This looks really nice as well. I think I do prefer it on the jump ring because it's kind of not very noticeable. Like with this, you can tell that obviously there's a pendant clasp on it, but I think I prefer this. Okay, yeah, I definitely prefer it with the jump ring. It just, I don't know, I feel like the other one takes away from the shell, if you know what I mean. This one's just more simplistic, like you hardly even notice that the jump ring's there. I'm really happy with how they came out. They look so nice.